Welcome to Sweet Spot. A simple and easy chocolate mousse recipe is on our agenda for today. It's so simple it should be a secret. With only a few ingredients and the use of a blender, this is a 5-star recipe, perfect to make any occasion a special one, including Valentine's Day. And I'll show you how to take the presentation up a notch. Hey, let's get started. No particular need for a Vitamix, any blender will work. Start with 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate, chips or chopped chocolate. Better chocolate makes a better mousse. Next in, 1 cup of very hot but not boiling milk. Optionally, but recommended, 2 or 3 tablespoons of a favorite liqueur. My choice is amaretto, but triple sec, orange, Kahlua, coffee, or even a flavored brandy will make this mousse even more special. Let this sit for a few seconds as the hot milk begins to melt the chocolate. Rev up the blender, medium speed is fine. Let it run for a minute or so until the mixture is smooth. Easy enough. All we do is pour into pretty glasses and into the refrigerator for an hour or 2. You know, if I was smart and thinking ahead, I would have made a fancier cup for serving. Maybe starting with 1 pound or 1.5 pounds of nice white chocolate. Coarsely chopped to allow for smooth melting. Placed in a bowl and set over gently simmering water. Stirred every so often to avoid scorching. I would have picked a few fresh balloons, rinsed and dried them. While letting the white chocolate cool and allowing it to thicken somewhat, and would have done the same with bittersweet chocolate, melting and cooling. Wiggly stripes, quick dips, nice swirls. Repeat and into the fridge to firm. Pop and remove the balloons. And then I would have filled these little chocolate tulip cups with the cold mousse mixture. If the mousse melted the cups, I would have let the mixture chill in the fridge a bit before pouring. I'm sure they would have looked lovely on a serving platter. Time for the taste test, my favorite part. I let the mousse cups sit in the fridge for a couple hours. You can leave them in overnight if you want, longer if you're going to cover them with plastic wrap. I plated one, plopped in a dollop of barely sweetened, softly whipped cream, and placed a few bright red raspberries on the plate. Let me indulge. Wow, this is decadent. It's rich. It's very, very chocolatey. It's not as dense as I would have thought. Here, let me cut this in half, and I'll show you what I'm eating. You certainly wouldn't serve it this way, but let me show you what we have here. So wow, I've never cut a chocolate cup mousse. A chocolate mousse cup, a chocolate cup with a mousse. I've never cut one in half. But you can see that it's dense. It's not going to fall off the spoon. Super rich. You can taste the amaretto, just a hint of amaretto. Again, you could have added orange liqueur or coffee liqueur. Wow, this is really good. The chocolate cup is fun. Break off a little piece. The raspberries are great pairing with the chocolate. It finishes the dessert. A couple subscribers have written in and asked what happens to the desserts after the video is complete. Well, I have a choice. I can either carry them around or give them away. I give them most of them away. This is awesome. This is really awesome. I'm so lucky I get to share my favorite recipes with you. Until next time, this is Sweet Spot.